Yesterday I came home to a ton of packages, so I opened them all up and I kind of just threw them in this box. And we're gonna do another shit I got in the mail this week as a salon owner. First up is I got 4 bags of the Cherry Desire from Sexy Smooth Wax. They do send me some free bags to kind of just get some reviews on the wax. It's a little bit newer of a brand. Not gonna lie, at first I did struggle with it. Then I realized this wax is a low temperature wax. I'm talking 30 Celsius. Whereas my other wax is around 60, 65 Celsius to melt it down and have it a creamy texture. So this one, low melting point, and you will actually like it. And then I have some spoolies from Amazon, some little micro spoolies that I use for brow lamination, and I also use those for my lash lift. I use these to glue them up. I like that it grabs all the hairs really well. More of these because I do a lot of full body services and I need lots and lots of big strips. Next up, I do client goodie bags. So I do them in these. I really, really love these. They're amazing. They're inexpensive and they're cute. And then in the new client goodie bags and also in my suite, I keep these little ass wipes. I really like these. 1, I find them cute and quirky, and 2, they do the job. They're really simple, like aloe and water basically. I put those in the goodie bags, but I also keep them stocked in my suite, which you can see I have some right there. But your girl was running out. So got a pack of those. And then this big thing here. This is a big thing of exfoliating gloves. So this is 60 pairs or 30 pairs, so 60 gloves. I do put these in my new client goodie bags. I love these for single and minimal use. You do not want to use these repeatedly. They do build up bacteria if you keep it in your shower. So you use it like 2 or 3 times max and then toss it. They're inexpensive. You can buy them in bulk, and then if you want to use that to scrub, you can. In the new client goodie bags, I also do samples of the scrub and oil that I retail and a couple other things. One of them being these little satin silky scrunchies. I love them. They're so cute. Bought a couple boxes of those. So I plan to make 30 new client goodie bags, and that's kind of my goal for the month. In February, I did 30 of them and I used all of them. So I got about 30 new clients that I got to use them on. I actually got 34 new clients last month. And so I ran out, and 4 of my new clients did not get a goodie bag, but hopefully I'll be stocked up on this stuff and I'll have them for their second appointment, because it's just one of those things that I like doing. So that is it for the, oh, and I got the new bed. I got the new bed. This is the new bed. This is off of Amazon. One thing that I did not realize is this bed is shorts. Don't mind me, I've got oil on there. I'm gonna clean this off again anyways. But this is how short the bed is. It's like right above my knee. So I'm gonna go look for some bed risers and see if I could bring this thing up to like, maybe like 6 or 8 more inches would be fabulous, because I'm a tall girly. So yeah, there's the bed, and I got the new pad on there also. It did come with this little tear, but you know, sometimes buying things off of Amazon are very hit or miss, and that is where I got this from. It is an 800-pound weight limit, and I can actually really like get on it, and I don't feel like it's going to break. I believe that this thing can hold 800 pounds. I'm confident. So that's kind of why I got a bigger, newer bed. I wanted the inclusivity of it. So yeah, if it lasts me a good 5 years, it'll be worth the money plus the rip. So yeah, but that's everything.